So today's the grand opening of the Swan Annex renovation project here at Ferris State University. That project is a joint project between the Manufacturing Engineering Technology program and the Welding Engineering Technology programs. We're finally able to open this facility and really show off these new labs. We are very excited about this. We've got a lot of new equipment here. This is really the start of something big and ever growing.
I decided to enroll in the manufacturing program because the first day you're in class, you are machining and you're in lab. And I really liked that because I'm a very hands-on person. I also enrolled because the manufacturing program is well known. All the teachers have been in the field, so they really know what the field is like.
When I think of Hurco controls over the past 20 some odd years that I've been using those machines, what I can tell you is that I'm quite impressed with the intuitiveness and layout of the control. I think there was a lot of foresight and vision that went into that initial control. It's very streamlined, it's very clean. Over the years, the control has just been refined and refined again. The continuous improvement shows, and the students find it very friendly and easy to use.
The features on the Hurco control I like most are the titles of where to go on the screen. Really, they kind of make sense what the name should be and where it should be. I also like the draw feature. That's the one I like the most. You can see it cut on the screen to make sure it's the right program.
It's been an exceptional experience. We're very happy to work with Hurco. We have a 32-year relationship. Every time we've needed to upgrade or add machinery, they've assisted us in further developing our curriculum, from great discounts and consigned machines to the technical support. I can't think of a better partner for the manufacturing programs here at Ferris than Hurco.